Alright, so today I'm going to teach you a little bit about how you can make your videos a little bit more engaging for distance learning. If you have an iPhone or an iPad, I use Clips. It comes on your phone, so if you don't have it, just go in the App Store and download it again. And then I use iMovie. So I'm going to go ahead and start with Clips. So if I go into Clips, it's really cool because you can actually record really fun ways. So what I do is right now I'm in scenes, as you can see. And what I do is I'll select a scene. Some scenes have sound in the background, so you just want to be a little bit careful with that. When I've been doing things with my younger students, like alphabet and stuff like that, it's fine to have a little bit of that background sound, and they love the scenes. It's one other way to get them more engaged with the video. So I'll show you some of my favorite ones. I like this one. It's really fun, and also it's really nice for distance learning because you don't have to put on makeup, you don't even have to worry about it. It has those filters for you. So there's a couple, you can hear the seagulls and things like that. But anyway, you're just gonna pick your favorite scene that you want. This one has little sounds and there's a lot going on, but it's nice for the students. So I'll go ahead and select it. Then you can do your video, whatever you want. It's in selfie mode. So whatever you're doing will be reversed. So for example, I did alphabet ones, you can look down here. I did things with letters and shapes and things like that, and they were all backwards. So I'll show you how to edit that after. So as you can see here, my numbers are backwards, they're inversed. When you're all done with whatever you're recording, so if I wanted to share what I had done, now what you can do is add different effects. So I can add text, I can add time or little emojis, whatever you want. I can add stickers. There's really fun stuff for kids just to be engaged, whatever you're doing, find something that has to do with it or little expressions. So maybe I'll say oh, I want to put this one in there, drag it. If you want to expand it, double click and then pull it out or push it forward, just like when you use your iPad. Click. Let's see, if you want to delete it, you just press on it and then the delete button will pop up and you can delete it away. You can use whatever you want and this will appear in your video. So once you're all done with everything that you want, there's ways for you to trim the video, split, duplicate. If you press on it, you can also add text and little titles, things like that. You can do subtitles, all that type of thing. When you're all done, you're going to go ahead and save the video. So go here to save video. And since mine is a few clips, it'll take a while. I already did it for us though, so I'm going to go ahead and exit out and show you what I do next and how I edit it. All right. So now that we're leaving Clips and we've saved it, I'm not going to go into the editing yet on iMovie. So here is the video that I saved all the clips together. I'm going to go ahead and hit edit on this video. Now because I filmed it in selfie mode, I'm going to hit crop. And the first thing that I'm going to do is make sure that I inverse the video so that all my numbers and my letters are facing the right way. So I click up here in the top left corner, and that's going to flip the video to be facing the right way. Perfect. So now, as you can see, we're reading from left to right, all is good, and then I can hit done. If you only have short clips, then you can go ahead and now begin editing. If you're like me and you've filmed it all as one project, you might want to then just clip and say, okay, I just want to do the French noir theme, and these are the clips I'm using. So I'm dragging this here on the bottom to get the clip I want. Then I'm going to hit done. And I'm going to say save as a new clip. That way I can go back and use the other part of that larger project from my clips if I want to later. All right, now that I'm done with that, I'm ready to go into iMovie. So mine is right by clips. You can edit it however you want. And I'm going to go here into projects. So I'm going to hit plus, movie. So I'm just using this first one. As you can see, there's some stuff at the end of it. So what I can do is either drag this back part to edit that off, or I can move the bar a little bit and then click on the frame and hit split, and then I'll just delete. Oops, not to touch. I mean delete, and delete this one. So you can either drag it manually or delete it however you want. And so as you can see, this is the phonics lesson that I filmed. So it's kind of fun and everything's the right way. All right, when you're all done with that, if you want to add text or anything like that, hit the T, crop, do whatever you please. When you're finished with everything, go ahead and hit done. Name your movie. So I'll call this, maybe I'll call it teacher lesson, and then I'm gonna hit done. What I like to do is I'll save my video. I just do like medium quality because I'm not super picky. Hit medium, or just do the actual size project. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna start to export. Once I'm done saving my project from iMovie, it will go ahead and save into my camera roll. So if you look here in your bottom left-hand corner, you're gonna see your movie. You can watch it. You can record it in whatever resolution that you want. It's really up to preference on what high quality that you want to have it as, and like how long your video is, things like that. I don't wanna use as much space on my phone, so I just tend to go medium. After you do this, you can upload your video to whatever. You can do it Google Drive, you can do YouTube, you can do Vimeo, you can do whatever your school uses. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do mine. I go here to YouTube, and then here I click this top right-hand corner. There's a little like camcorder. I select the video I want to upload. I see it here, I can trim all these things, and I hit next. And so now I have the title and everything like that. I can do the description. You can make it public, unlisted, whatever you want, depending on your privacy settings. So that is all that you will need. And then if you want to do screen sharing and things like that, you can do it on your phone or you can do it on your computer.